The Vocational Excellence Award of the Rotary Club was held on 29 January 2021 in Landmark Hotel. Dr. B.K. Solia, Director Meghalaya Entrepreneurship, was the chief guest of the function and handed over the awards to the awardees. 4 personalities from different walks of life were chosen for the award and were facilitated. The awardees chosen this year were based on rarity and lack of appreciation and knowledge of these professions. Mr. Devin Carcenteo, an 86 years old gentleman, was facilitated. He was the first Khasi newspaper vendor with a span of more than 56 years in the same profession. Mr. Judge Singh Kongji was awarded in the category of Progressive Farmer in Beekeeping. Lina Dance Academy from Maulai was awarded in Fitness and Dance category. Mr. Markansai Dingdo was awarded as a craftsman in musical instruments. The director, Dr. B.K. Solia, in his speech felt honoured to have been invited to hand over the awards on behalf of the Rotary Club Orchid City, Shillong, to certain very extraordinary individuals hailing from normal background.
What we will say is that I'm from the government, and I believe that we join government to bring out the best in ourselves and in others. And that is why, as I stand here today, I feel very proud. I feel a bit emotional also. Because Bak Hong Jing, let me just tell you about him, I think probably, which was not said and which I think in all modesty he did not say, is that he started his beekeeping business against the wishes of his family. And to be very frank, my institution sent him for his first training. And I actually never met Mr. Kongji until today. He was one of those beekeepers whom we sent for training to an institution also run by a local entrepreneur, Mr. Vijay Basatia, who started the Center of Learning, Knowledge and Services way back in 2015. And today is one of India's fastest growing companies. Winner of the GES 2017 All India, was offered an equity of, can I tell it? Okay, a massive equity share, running into the millions. And the government of Meghalaya has identified entrepreneurship, I think you must have seen it, as one of the driving forces that is going to take us on a new growth path. Because 7 years back, we decided that as a small state, we cannot employ everyone. And when I first started and took over the Institute of Enterprise, it was started at that point of time, a lot of people told me, are you crazy? What is enterprise? It will never work. I remember around 15-20 years back, people also told me about another project which I ran. They said that it will never work. But today, Meghalaya is the number 6 producer of strawberries and flowers in the country. They said it would not work.